Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are talking today about two highlighters. I've recently got as a present a highlighter from Jeffree Star, one of the Supreme Frost. Then I picked up the Ofra highlight in collaboration with NikkieTutorials, the Cloud9. I'm gonna talk to you a bit about the highlighters. We're gonna try them on and I'm gonna let you know my thoughts. So if you're interested to see how these highlighters apply on my face and what I think, keep on watching. Let's start with the one that I got as a present. It's one of the Jeffree Star new Supreme Frost highlighters and called Wet Dream. And the box looks like that. Sparkle to the max, bling bling. Shine bright like a lighthouse. Extreme payoff, vegan, cruelty free. And you get net 8 grams, 0.282 ounces of product. This retails for $32 US and it's made in Italy. And look at the packaging of this. I mean, even the packaging is blinding, right? You open it here and you have the highlighter. It's very, very blingy. That is kind of like a champagne gold, I would describe it. Of course, I'm gonna swatch it for you before I try it. This is Jeffree Star highlighter in Wet Dream. And he released 5 highlighters, 5 different shades in that formula. Yeah, I really love the packaging of this. I haven't tried any of his highlighters and probably I wouldn't if I didn't get that as a present. It has like a magnetic closure. Now let's go with the Ofra and NikkieTutorials collab. I've got the highlighter in Cloud9 and the box looks like that. And it says, be a 24/7 glow getter. Show off your most loved features in our glow-inducing highlighters. This retails for $35. It's made in USA and you get 10 grams of product, 0.35 ounces. It's like a white matte, kind of like, I think Ofra, they changed their packaging, and also has like a magnetic closure. Has a mirror here and it looks like that. It has like a pink shift. Now Nikkie released 2 shades with the Ofra Cosmetics. This is the Cloud9 and it's one more like in bluish kind of like shift that called Space Baby. Let's try the highlighters on my face, right? I'm getting a JH09 brush here and I'm gonna try first the Jeffree Star. Ooh, so I'm getting some. What do you guys think? Very blingy, right? I just wiped my brush and we're gonna go the same brush, and on this side we're gonna use the Ofra and NikkieTutorials in Cloud9. This has more like a pinky shift. What do you guys think? I've tried both highlighters on my face, on my body, and I've tried them as an eyeshadow. Now I have to say this, the Jeffree Star, the Supreme Frost, is really beautiful. I really love it. It's very intense. You don't need to spray your brush and it performs really well as a highlighter and also as an eyeshadow and on your body too. It has like that more blingy, as you see here, quality to it. It does look kind of like it will contain glitter, but it's not like, you know, that chunky glitter that's annoying. It just gives it that beautiful glow. I have to say, guys, I love it. I'm really surprised because I wasn't expecting that. When I received that as my present, as I said, because I had my birthday recently, I was like, okay, you know, I didn't know what to expect, but it's beautiful. Now let's go to the Ofra and NikkieTutorials. This is more like kind of like a duochrome, as you see, highlighter. Of course it has like a white base and it's more like that pinkish kind of hue. Personally, I do like a pinkish highlighter, but I don't know if it's just me. I'm not really extremely impressed by it. I mean, I'm not saying it's bad. It's not bad at all. It's beautiful product still, but it's not as like blinding as, you know, this one, as the Jeffree Star one. And I'm really surprised because I think Nikkie, she's all about the glowing to the gods and blinding highlighters and all that stuff. So I do like it, but it's not my favorite, if you know what I mean. It does apply well, it is smooth, but it's not, I don't know. It's not my favorite highlighter, take it that way. Both their formulas are really, really nice. The only thing is Jeffree's is more sparkly, more intense, more blinding, and this is a bit more subtle. And of course has a different hue. This one is a duochrome. All in all, I have to say, guys, this is beautiful. If you're on the fence, I would say get it, especially on that shade that I have here. I'm not quite sure about the other, you know, the rest of the 4 shades, but this one is beautiful. Now, Nikkie and Ofra, it's nice if you're into highlighters, you know, in the pinky tone, the duochromes. It's more subtle highlight. If you are into that, I would say I would recommend it. If not, and if you like something really intense and really sparkly, I would say you can skip on it. I'm gonna put some on my body so I can show you. Whoa. And look at that. Sparkles beautifully. That's all, guys. I hope you like this video. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about these highlighters and which one was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, mwah, bye.